Welcome to our video on how indoor plants can help keep your home cool this summer. Did you know that certain plants can act as natural air conditioners? Let's explore how this works and discover 10 plants that can make a real difference in cooling your living space. Plants have a natural process called transpiration, where they release moisture into the air through their leaves. This process can help cool the surrounding area, making indoor plants a great natural way to keep your home cool this summer. Here are 10 plants that are not only easy to care for, but perfect for cooling your home while making your home look beautiful and calming. 1. Aloe vera, Aloe barbadensis. Easy to find and low maintenance. The aloe vera plant also offers healing benefits. Aloe vera is a great addition to any room. It requires minimal maintenance and thrives in bright, indirect light. 2. Spider plant, Chlorophytum comosum. Ideal for beginners, this plant thrives in indirect sunlight. This plant is known for its ability to remove toxins from the air. 3. Snake plant, Sansevieria trifasciata. Perfect for beginners, known for its air-purifying qualities. This plant can survive with minimal water and sunlight. 4. Peace lily, Spathiphyllum wallacei. With its beautiful white flowers, this plant thrives in indirect light and high humidity. 5. Areca palm, Dipsis lutescens. Bright but indirect light is best for this palm, which adds a tropical touch to any room. 6. Boston fern, Nephrolepis exaltata. This plant loves humidity and can thrive in shaded areas, making it perfect for bathrooms. 7. Rubber plant, Ficus elastica. Low maintenance and shade tolerant, the rubber plant can grow quite large over time. 8. Pothos, Epipremnum aureum. A popular plant for beginners, the pothos can survive in almost any lighting condition. 9. Dracæna, Dracæna spp. With various species available, these plants can thrive in different light conditions and improve air quality. 10. English ivy, Hedera helix. Perfect for hanging baskets and shady areas. English ivy is a great addition to any home. By adding these plants into your home, you can enjoy a cooler living environment naturally. Remember to water and care for your plants regularly to help them thrive and keep your home cool this summer. For more ways to better your everyday lives, make sure to like and subscribe to our channel. Stay green and beat the heat with indoor plants. Happy summers!